Learn how affiliate marketing works and increase your income. We're currently in the midst of a very trying time around the globe. Many markets are still suffering and work is becoming much harder to find. That's why many people are turning to affiliate marketing in order to build a steady stream of income. If you want to profit as an affiliate, you need to pay attention to the information in this video. When building affiliate links on your blog, don't forget that you need traffic on your site first. If no one is watching your blog, there's no one to click on your affiliate links, no matter how glowing your recommendation or well placed your advertisements. Build a readership for your blog and then join an affiliate program to take advantage of that traffic. Be passionate and enthusiastic. Readers want to know that you truly do love what you are doing, and they are interested in why the products you are helping sell are beneficial to you. If you show them that you are genuinely excited about a product, they are much more likely to take an interest in it themselves. Text alerts are an increasingly popular way for affiliates to get the word out. Text services are new, but they are already being employed as a promotional tactic by thousands of affiliates. You should check often to see how well banners, text links, and recommendations are doing. If you find that one is doing better than another, you should change your tactics so you can yield maximum profits and sales results. Checking these statistics quite often will increase your earning commissions. In affiliate marketing, you will find products you love, as well as merchants and networks that you love to work with. You must remember that the affiliate marketing business is a business, not a romance. If a particular partnership grows unprofitable, you must be prepared to cut it off, no matter how enamored you are with the partner or their products. A great affiliate marketing tip is to keep your website design simple. Though it may be tempting to pick a special font to make your website unique, it can also be very irritating to your visitors. Most visitors would rather see a standard font than a crazy one. Take the time to learn some tricks of the trade prior to getting involved with any affiliate marketing program. If you get into it without knowing the basics, you are likely to find yourself getting ripped off and wasting your valuable time on something that is bound to fail. Find a program that will not only pay you for the sales that you make, but will also pay you for referrals that you send their way. There are some great programs out there that will pay you a percentage of what the people that you have referred to them have made, as well. Profiting as an affiliate marketer is going to require a big commitment on your part. Not only will you need to use videos like these to teach you about marketing, but you will also need to practice and refine your tactics. Approach the market with caution and use this information to help you along the way. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.